This, my friends, is the new upgraded Ecovacs X9S Pro Omni. It's an upgrade from the X9 from last year, but is it that much better? Well, it's packed full of more tech. Let's find out. We all know that kids make mess, and sometimes it seems intentional. Yes, this time. So I'm going to be testing the brand new X9S Omni Pro. But how well will it do with really bad stains? So sticky jam and super sticky like tar, MARMITE. Well, I've spread it on this piece of vinyl and then I've left it to get really sticky, and just look how sticky this is. How well will the robot vacuum do? Now, I've sped this video up a little bit so that you don't have to sit through it all, but we'll come back to the results afterwards. Will it get rid of it? It looks like it's handling the jam quite well, but what about that sticky MARMITE? I will go through all of the upgrades from the X9 Pro Omni from last year, but in the box you get the robot vacuum and you also get the Omni Pro station. Now, the build quality of the station is fantastic. It is actually quite a compact design, so therefore it sits very nicely pretty much anywhere in your house. It's also got these segments inside which pop out easily and therefore can be rinsed under a tap or even put into a dishwasher to be kept clean. I do like that these trays are a different colour. It just means that you can identify the debris and dust left behind, and therefore it is easier to clean. Okay, so on the front you've also got this pull-off section which then reveals the dust bag which collects all the debris, and you've got two cleaning solution containers. One of them is for heavy duty and the other is for general. The robot vacuum will automatically mix the solutions depending on the need. And finally, on top you have your clean water tank and your dirty water tank which just pop into the top. And on the back there's a simple on-off switch. So in summary, the station is compact, it does everything that you need it to do, and it's even got a slightly better finish this year with a textured type design, which again just makes it stay and look cleaner. With the robot vacuum itself, there are a lot of familiar things. When you lift off the top, you'll discover the dust collection bin. Now, you don't really need to take this out because this robot empties itself, but you can do that manually as well. But this robot gets super interesting underneath. Now, with that OZMOROLLER 3.0, it's an extended 27cm roller, which actually pops out of the side to give you that edge cleaning, and I'll show you that a little bit later. You also have the Zero Tangle 4.0 brush, which delivers 3,800 pascals of pressure with 10 newtons of downward force. And at the front you've got the extending smart side brush, which will lift up automatically when it identifies heavy stains. And for me, one thing I really love is the suspension on the wheels. This navigates thresholds brilliantly, and I'll show you that in a second. When you turn the vacuum on, it guides you through the setup process with the app super simply. I'm not going to bore you in this video with that. When you're all set up on the app, you just need to add the cleaning solution to the two compartments and then add clean water, and then, my friends, you're ready to go. The first thing that you need to do is to send the robot out mapping your environment. This will show in real time on your app screen. It will detect all the walls and all of the different rooms. But don't worry, if it does get the odd one wrong, you can go in and change that afterwards. You can call any room whatever you wish. You can separate rooms, join rooms. It really is very straightforward. So now your robot has learnt your location, and now you can schedule how it cleans. You can choose for it to be heavy on the suction and heavy on the mopping. You can choose whether it goes through one pass or two pass, and you can even control the water rate. All of this is super clever. Now, before I show you some of the other features, let's see how it got on in that first initial test we did. Now, this is sticky MARMITE which is left. This is like Vegemite. It is so sticky, it's unbelievable. Sometimes it won't even come off with a cloth. Now, I was really impressed with it got the majority of it off, but it did leave some residue. And so I was wondering, is it going to go back and clean that, or am I going to have to send it out again? Well, the good news is, my friends, is that after another little bit of skirting around the edges, it actually went over it and cleaned it all completely. And if I zoom in now and I show you the before and after up above there, you can see how clean that is. Now, this is a 100% genuine test, and I'm shocked at how well it did. Incredible. So it achieves this because it doesn't use things which other robot vacuums do. No pads which just drag mess along the floor, and no spinning pads. This uses the highly efficient spinning roller mop. Now, what if the pads get dirty? Well, the great news is that this will use a multi-jet spray system, so the roller is being actively power washed as it cleans, instead of reusing dirty water, and then it will go back to the station for a further clean. Now that was a bit of an extreme test, but for normal spills like this milk for instance, it will literally clear it in one pass. No haze, no streaks, no mess left behind at all. One pass is enough to clean it up completely. Absolutely fantastic, and you also know that because it's going to go back to the station and have its mop washed, there's not going to be any nasty smells. Now what about carpet, I hear you ask? Well, I've tried to use the most stickiest carpet that I can find. Now this is in fact a rug which really is meant to hold grime and dirt and hair, and so therefore there's no better test than dog hair. Now the first thing that you'll notice is that the roller mop lifts up as soon as it detects carpet. There you go, up it goes, and so therefore the carpet is not going to get wet. But with dog hair stuck to this carpet, I was very, very doubtful that this was going to do a good job. Now don't get me wrong, it did take several passes for it to clear the majority of it, and there was still some residue, but that's mainly down to the carpet rather than the fact that it's not doing a good job. In fact, if I use this slow-mo, you can see how well the brush lifts the hair and then sucks it up. So if you have got pets and you've got some carpet which stubbornly holds that pet hair, you may need to run a couple of different passes, but after that you shouldn't have any issue at all. And with that zero tangle brush, there was absolutely no sign of any hair. Really, really very clean indeed. The large rubber wheels and the fantastic suspension means thresholds are no problem for this robot vacuum. It navigates them without any issue at all. And it really can get into the smallest and tightest of spaces, so no area in your home should be left untouched. So the technology packed into the robot with its built-in sensors and its edge cleaning really does mean that it's going to get everywhere, so that you can be really confident that you're getting a really thorough clean. And that edge cleaning, well, you've got to see it to believe it. It goes around almost anything, and when it does find a straight edge, well, it will go right along and not miss anything. This is one of the best that I've ever seen. And if your kids do make a mess, well, even they can clear it up now with voice command.
Okay, Eco, clean the kitchen.
So with a simple voice prompt, you can command your robot vacuum to go anywhere and start cleaning. And the cleverness doesn't end there. When it goes back to the base station, it will automatically clean the roller mop with hot water, and it will also empty. It does 2 emptying cycles. And if you are wondering how good a job it does on the cleaning, well, you just need to take a look at the dirty water to see how much it's picked up. Incredible. The X9S Pro Omni also has the same power boost technology that was featured on the X11 Pro Omni Cyclone from last year, and this is where mid-cycle it will go back to clean the mop, but it doesn't just clean the mop, it takes advantage of being connected to the dock and so therefore gives you a power boost. This went from 23% to 29% just whilst cleaning the mop. Very, very efficient, and it means that you can end up getting your job completed within a shorter space of time. So there are some real advantages going for the new X9S Pro Omni compared to the X9 Pro. It's longer, faster and more powerful roller. It has high pressure and speed for more reliable one-pass cleaning. The stronger suction and upgraded edge cleaning is brilliant. With its dual-compartment cleaning solution system and smarter, more hygienic station care, and you get the charging during mop cleaning, shortening job times. So that is plenty of upgrades, but the overall things for me was that it gave a more consistent cleaning performance, it handles sticky messes incredibly well, the really high pressure scrubbing is just incredible as demonstrated, so overall it's the complete cleaning system. So my friends, the X9S Pro Omni genuinely feels like one of the most capable robot vacuums out there right now, especially if you've got a busy home with kids and pets. It's not just smarter, it actually does clean better. Now full details including the latest price links are available in the description. Let me know in the comments, would you go for a roller mop or a pad mop? And which would you trust more after seeing this? And what's the mess your robot vacuum struggles with most? Because I think this one could help. If this video helped, make sure you do hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.